I purchased this picture of Jesus at the thrift store for $8 and wanted to make over the frame. So I've decided that I want it to be copper, so I'm painting it in DIY's copper patina, and then I'm going to come back with a dark wax. It'll take a few coats, but I think it's going to look really good. So here it is with 2 coats of the copper patina, 1 more coat, and we'll be ready for dark wax. Even the velvet is painting up nice. The next step is going to be distressing the copper patina. I'm just using 220 sandpaper, and we're going to bring back some of the original dark color. We're going to use DIY dark wax to help add some patina and age. It's going to bring out all the details and take down this shine just a little bit. Work in a very small section, then wipe it back, and keep going until you get the desired effect. Here is the finished picture frame. We used copper patina along with the dark wax, and I think it turned out pretty great. Let's get Jesus back in here and see how it looks. Here is the after. It's going to be available at our store in Lehigh and at JamieRayVintage.com. I think that frame turned out great.